is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Back with another video for you guys today, man. Y'all read the title. You saw the thumbnail. You know what it is. You know what we got going on in here today. Today, I have a special unboxing for y'all right here, man. You know what I'm saying? Really, really hype shoe. We want to get into this as soon as possible. But before we get into this, man, at the time of me recording this video, we are at 1,077 subscribers, man. You know what I'm saying? Great job. Thank you to everybody, man. We are on the road to 50,000 subscribers.
What did you say, nigga?
50,000 subscribers. 50,000 subscribers.
How, Sway? Take a
Man, if you're new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell. Make sure you turn the subscribe button on. Turn it red and hit that notification bell. Now, make sure also that you take the time to go ahead and smash that like button, man. You know what I'm saying? Smash the like button. Help the video. Do all of that stuff. And go ahead and follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You know what I'm saying? Get a lot of content up there first, man. So we're going to go ahead and get into this unboxing that we have right here for y'all, man. Now, before we get into this unboxing, though, you know what I'm saying? Make sure that before you open up and you wear your new pairs of shoes, that you always keep them clean. You know what I mean? So make sure that you go ahead and pick up my new sneaker cleaner right here. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead to reshoevnator.com, enter code anonymous, and you'll get 14% off of your purchase for the shoe protector right here. And then you also go ahead and pick up your shoe cleaner, enter promo code anonymous, you'll get 13.4% off. You know what I'm saying? You got to make sure that you keep your shoes clean, especially when you get something as hype as this pair right here. You know what I mean? You got to make sure that you take care of them. You can't have them out in the dirt, in the mud, spilling pizza sauce on them, all of that stuff. You got to make sure that you take care of them, man. And now that you got them and you got them clean, maybe you're going on vacation, you never know what it is, you got to head over to make sure that you get your nice custom sneaker bag right there. You know what I'm saying? You're going to head over to sneakerbag.com to get your sneaker bags right here. They sell them in 8 different sizes right here. This is the biggest size. You can fit 20 pairs of shoes in here. Make sure you head over to sneakerbag.com. Use promo code anonymous sneakerhead to get 36.4% off of your next purchase, man. These are huge right here. You can carry up to 20 pairs of shoes in here. This is the biggest size. Like I said, there's 8 different sizes. Make sure you use promo code, you know what I'm saying, at promo code anonymous sneakerhead to get your discount, man. Absolutely love these. Great deal right here, man. And we're gonna go ahead and get into this box. But before we get into this box, man, make sure, you know what I'm saying, I got some new merch coming out for y'all. You know what I mean? Y'all gotta buy the merch. Support the anonymous sneakerhead. Right here, I got a little sample for you right here. Some anonymous sneakerhead draws for y'all right here. So make sure you go ahead, get your anonymous sneakerhead draws. Nice little silky draws with the waistband. Really good quality. This is a 1-on-1 pair. It's just a sample. I don't know if these are going to release yet, but you know what I'm saying? Hit my DMs. Let me know. I'll get these produced and out to you guys as soon as possible. Make sure that you go ahead, get your anonymous sneakerhead draws. Really going to help you make the fit with what we got going on in this box right here. You know what I'm saying? You got to make sure that you put the fit together, man. Also, make sure that you take the time to go ahead and get yourself a popple, man. You know what I'm saying? Use promo code anonymous or promo code anon, to get your popple. Get 28.3% off. You know what I'm saying? Go pick that up. Do your thing. It's like a little business card that you have on the back of your phone. You tap it on someone else's. They have all of your information, and you can add all of that stuff, man. Now, that is enough of the intro, man. Had a really great day today. Came home, you know what I'm saying? Came home from work. Had a package on my door. Really excited to get these super hype shoes in hand. You know what I'm saying? Now, I got to be delicate when I am opening the box. So let me get my knife out real quick, and we're going to make sure we're really careful when we open this box. We're going to come up to the top. We're going to take the tape off the side right there. We're going to go to the other side, take the tape off right here. And then to open the box, we're just going to take the knife and go right in here. Try not to cut the box on the inside. Let me get it so you guys can see it. We're going to go right here. Try not to cut the box on the inside. You know what I'm saying? We want to take care of these shoes. Make sure that we can handle it and get right through there. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to cut that box through the middle. Cut it all the way open. There we go. Bang. Now we make sure that the box is looking good. All right, YouTube, so the box is open, no damage on it, you know what I'm saying? A little scratch, but it's all right. You know what I mean? We're really gentle with the knife. Didn't want to be too vicious with the box. Now we can toss this one out of here. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. You guys can see it right here. Super, super hype shoes. People have been waiting for these forever. You know what I mean? Let's get a quick look at the box right here. We got the black box, as you can see, with the silver Nike on it now. Just to make sure the box is black all the way around. You know what I mean? Got to look, make sure the entire box is black. That's how you know you have a real pair. You don't want any green or blue popping over there. So we're going to make sure that this whole thing is black right there. Black, 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 black. And then you're going to look at the bottom of the box. Make sure that we got the right Nike right there. The bottom of the box, we have the Nike with the swoosh. We have just Nike. We have the swoosh. We have the word swoosh. Nike Air, swoosh Air, Nike Air. And then it says Air Soul. The Air Soul brand shoes contain Air Soul brand insoles, you know what I'm saying? So that's how you know it's a real pair. We're going to go over here to the tag. Make sure we read the tag to make sure that we have a legit pair. These are the Air Force One 07 Travis Scott. You know what I'm saying? The Travis Scott friends and family pair. Really, really hard shoe to get. But super excited that I got my hands on the pair. You know what I'm saying? We're going to make sure that this is the right shoe. Here we go. We have the official colorway is multicolor, multicolor, multicolor. This is a size 13.5. Now, I usually wear a size 10, but you know what I mean? I feel like I can fit into these if I double sock it. So we do have a 13.5 right here. I'm going to make sure if I put 2 socks on, I should be able to wear them. The UK size right here is 44. You know what I mean? Here we do have the little barcode right there. These retail for $120, man. One more quick look at the box. We got the little embossed situation right there. We got it over there. Now to get a full look at the box, you know what I'm saying? We got to open it so that way we can make sure it's a legit pair. And we have the brown on the inside of the box. If your box is black on the outside and black on the inside, that's how you know you got a fake pair. So you want to make sure that it's black, and then when you open it, it's brown on the inside. That's how you know you have a real pair, right? And then we're going to go ahead and look at the paper, man. Now the paper has that little embossed stars or whatever on it. It says AF1 all the way through it, man. Really, really dope. Really, really dope paper right here. Really thick. Great attention to detail, man. Absolutely love these. Love how the paper matches with the rest of the box. Really helps you tell the story of what's going on in the shoe, man. Great presentation here by Nike. You know what I mean? And you know what? That's why we have our sneaker protector right here. You know what I'm saying? You want to spray that down as soon as we get these shoes out. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to pull the shoes, both of them out. There's one. There's the other one right here. So I'm pulling the shoes out. We're going to make sure that we go ahead and spray down these shoes. Let me do this over here off the camera. Make sure. There we go. So spraying down. There's one pair. Let's spray down the other one. You know what I'm saying? I want to make sure that they're super, super clean. You know what I mean? I don't want them to get dirty or whatever while I'm reviewing them. It's a shoe that I'm going to wear on my feet in the mud, but I got to keep them as clean as possible. You know what I mean? But without further ado, man, this is the reason why you guys came here. Try to make this video as quick as possible for you guys. I'm going to show you these Air Force One Travis Scotts, man. I know everybody really, really wanted to see him, man. Without further ado, here they are, the Air Force One Travis Scott, man. Super, super excited to have these in hand, man. That is it for this video, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the review, man. I'm super excited to have them in my collection. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna wear them a bunch. Can't wait to wear them. Put a bunch of different outfits with them, go out to parties, flex on people, let everyone know that I got the new Travis Scott Air Forces. You know what I'm saying? Super, super excited for them. Hope you guys enjoyed the review, though. You know what I'm saying? I hope you guys have fun. I hope you guys learned a little bit about the shoe. Make your decision if you want to buy them or not. You know what I'm saying? I'm 100% going to keep them. I know they're reselling for like $35,000 right now, but I think I'm going to keep them, wear them as much as I can, you know what I mean? Get all fits with them. I buy shoes to wear them, you know what I'm saying? I like my shoes I don't understand the people that buy shoes and just look at them and keep them in cases. Nah, shoes are made to be worn, so that's why I got them, and I'm gonna go and continue to wear them. But that is it for this video, you guys, man. If you're new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the family, join the channel, turn on the notification bell, hit the subscribe button, man. It really helps us hit our goal of 50,000 subscribers.
Shit. Lord, I'm not with it.
We're at 1,077 right now, but we're gonna hit 50,000 by the end of this week.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Because it's popping over here. It's the best YouTube channel in the land, so make sure you do that. Also, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, abuse the subscribe button, smash the subscribe button, whatever you want to call it. Sorry, not the subscribe button, the like button. Make sure you do all of that to the like button, you know what I'm saying? Helps the channel more than you guys will ever know. Last but not least, follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead, man. You get a lot of information up there first, man. That is it for this video, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Like I said, man, I'm super excited to have these. That is it for this video, man. I'll see you guys at the next one. All right, man. Yeah. Good. Got it. Yep. I'm going to turn the camera off right now. There we go. Not rolling no more. Hey, bro, you said we could get 35,000 for these? Yeah, put them up right now. We can sell them. We could probably get rid of them tomorrow. We put them up there for 25,000. They'll go quick. We can split the money. So make sure you go put those up there right now. And we'll get our money for them as soon as possible so we can get some more shoes to do content with on YouTube.